This is a tried and true moving hack that I've been using since my days back in the military. I highly suggest that if you have not and you plan on moving, that you invest in some space saving bags. It don't necessarily have to be this one, but this is the brand that I use. I don't even know if they're still available anymore, because I've had these, like I said, since I've been in the military, and I've been out of the military for about 5 years now. But if you are interested in this specific brand, I will link it in my Amazon storefront. Probably something similar, because I highly doubt this one is still available. It came with this pump that screws. As you can see, it screws into the space saving bags, and you sit there and pump it out. Your girl is not about to sit there and waste all that time pumping these bags, because I just did my turtle and it took me 17 minutes to get the turtle in the bag. So I use my vacuum cleaner. I don't know if I still have all 5 small, because, you know, I've had this since the military and I do a lot of traveling, and that is how I pack 52 outfits into a carry-on. Thank you. Now y'all should know without me saying that I washed and dried all of this prior to this process, okay? Okay. Because I know some of y'all go take y'all curtains down and throw it in the space saver. Yeah. Now that we have everything folded, we're gonna put it in this medium bag. This is just a helpful tip if you plan on moving and you want your linen to smell nice and fresh when you get to your final destination. Now the nice and fresh part do come from it being washed and dried, properly laundered prior to this step. I'm also going to throw in some dryer sheets. During the packing, storing, and transportation phase, it'll stay nice and fresh. And the dryer sheets that I use, or that I'm using right now because they was on sale at Costco, is the Bounce Fresh Linen, and it smells...
You smell nice.
Oh, thank you so much.
Because anybody that know me, and you're going to get to know me, friend, know I love a good smell good. I'm not sure if this one bag is gonna be enough. Like, you just cannot pass the stop line, but I still have like little corners that I'm gonna try and get this in. Cause at the end of the day, we're sucking all the air out. We just gotta get it in there. And the only reason you can't pass that stop line is for like zipping purposes. All right, y'all, I think that is the most I'm going to be able to get into this one, but these I can put in my pillow bag. And then the space savers that I got came with all of these additional clips. And that's it. You're all done. And look how much smaller that is. And when I get my moving container, I'll be able to slide this down into the crevice of something to save even more space in my moving container. So if you have a move coming up, let me know where you're moving to. We might just be in the same area. And if you already live in Raleigh, North Carolina, let me know in the comments below. So make sure that y'all click all the buttons and support me. And I will catch you in the next video.